Hey everyone, you're watching Wisdom Shots. A man on his way found a piece of paper, a chit, tied to an electric pole with a small note on it. So he was curious to know what was written. He went closer and read it. I lost rupees 500 somewhere on the road. If any of you find it, please give it to me at this address. My eyesight isn't great, so please help me. So the man followed that address and found an old hut and an old woman sitting outside. She was very weak. So the man told her that I came by this way and found rupees 500 on the road and a note, so I wanted to hand over to you. She began crying on hearing this. She said, my dear, I've had at least 30 to 40 people come over and give me rupees 500 saying that they found it on the road. I didn't write that note. I cannot even see properly, nor do I know to read and write. So he said, it's okay, Amma, you keep it. And she asked the man to tear that chit off on his way back. So he walked back thinking about the person who wrote that note and mentally thanked him. And she would have asked everyone to tear that note, but nobody did. So the man went and posted the note back in the same place. See, wherever there is a human in need, there is an opportunity for kindness and to make a difference. In this current COVID crisis, you can be a messenger and share notes or details of people who need help, or can be a volunteer and make a difference. We are going through a real tough time, right? It's sad, it's scary, and it's very disturbing. At the same time, it's heartening to see so many people rising to the occasion. People sharing contacts of hospitals, bed details, contact numbers to get oxygen, plasma, etc. I've even seen copies of detailed handwritten notes, contact details circulating. Schoolgirls creating websites with helpline numbers. A big thank you to all messengers out there for taking effort and posting notes. So we also have great number of volunteers, everyday people, citizens who are doing extraordinary things, giving unconditionally their time and commitment, working tirelessly to meet the needs of people. I read about a man who sold his luxury car to procure oxygen for strangers. Volunteer organizations cooking meals for COVID patients. Large corporations donating millions of dollars and supporting the government. And most importantly, hats off to doctors and healthcare professionals who are working day and night, risking their own life to support COVID patients. See, the purpose of me sharing this video is to encourage each one of you to become a messenger or a volunteer or both. We can't depend on government or designated people for everything. Our country needs more helping hands. You can be a messenger by sharing validated information with others, from credible sources, and do your bit to make a difference. Or be a volunteer, not necessarily you have to step out of the house. Things like talking to a COVID patient who is in quarantine, over phone, and giving hope and positivity is an act of kindness. Sending resources they need and supporting them. If nothing, sending silent prayers and wishes is an act of kindness. So too often we underestimate the power of a kind word and a listening heart. So any act of kindness, however small it is, it can create an impact. Our world needs more kind people than successful people. Do your bit of good, wherever you are, in whatever way you can. Even if you're not able to do any of these things, the kindest thing you can do is to stay safe. We staying safe is the biggest favor we can do to our healthcare professionals and to our country, which is struggling to meet the ever-growing demand. Please know that we can do our part to save others' lives by staying safe and following safety measures. Let us show our compassion and kindness to tirelessly working healthcare professionals and other supporting staff in the healthcare industry, by breaking the chain, by following all the COVID safety protocols, by staying safe. Let us be kind to them. It takes each of us to make a difference for all of us. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong, stay safe.